Some letters can be really stubborn and don't want to work well with each other. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my top tips for lettering connections and share with you how to get more practice learning how to connect letters. Hey friends, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I just released the Ultimate Lettering Connections Workbook, which has all of my tips for connecting letters, and I'm going to be showing you that here, and I will link to that below. But to start out, my number one tip in connecting letters is to pick up your pen between each letter. This is going to help you to think about what's coming and where you need to connect to the next letter. Lettering is different from cursive because cursive, you go quickly and you write a whole word without picking up your pen. Next tip is to make sure that your spacing between each letter is consistent. Also, the curve of your connecting stroke should be the same. So what I mean by connecting stroke is that little area in between the letters, whatever that looks like for each letter. So you want to make sure that it's the same. If it's going to be really sharp, if it's going to be really rounded, doesn't matter, you choose. You just have to make sure that you're going to be consistent with it throughout. Connecting from uppercase letters can be tricky, so in this workbook I give you the most basic uppercase alphabet that can connect with pretty much anything. I have been taking suggestions on Instagram with the trickiest letter connections, and I have been sharing real-time videos with several ways to solve those connections and give you some ideas. So here are the ones that I've done so far. If you have other ones that you are really struggling with, leave it in the comments below, and you may just see that over on my Instagram account, Ensign Insights. I created this workbook by listening to what everybody was saying were the most difficult connections, and I know what's most difficult for me as well. And then I broke them into different groups so that you could see similarities and differences with each connections. So it's a little bit easier to start combining them and making your own connections that will look good every time. So I just want to thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoy these real-time videos. Please check out the Lettering Connections Workbook, and thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tips, and I will see you next time.